Hello everybody and welcome back to the McCall's kitchen. As you can see, we're very excited for fall. We've done our whole transformation and we're gonna be making a very fun fall themed dessert today together, and the best part is it's no bake, and we know you guys love those because they're so easy and all you need is some fridge time. So I have all my ingredients in front of me and we'll get started in just a second. If you guys aren't following us, make sure you do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our Instagram at McCall's Bakers. Today we are making a no-bake popcorn cake, and I know it sounds a little funny, but I'm going to take you guys through the whole process. We're going to be using marshmallows, popcorn, and some dark chocolate ganache. It's going to be so nice. It's very light, it has a bit of sweet, and we're going to be using regular marshmallows and salted popcorn. So the very first thing that we're gonna do is we are gonna melt our marshmallows with some butter. So I'm gonna add my butter to this and pop it into the microwave, and then we'll be back to add some color. And we are back with our melted marshmallow and butter mixture. This already smells amazing. The cake actually consists of a couple different layers, so we're gonna be using 4 7-inch pans, and we're going to be using different colors to layer. I'm actually going to start with my orange first, since we are going for a fall theme. I'm going to be putting the color in, and then we're going to be adding our popcorn. All right, we are ready for our popcorn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add one bowl at a time, and then that way we'll be able to get it very well mixed together. And you wanna be careful with this process, just so you don't crush the popcorn too much. All right, I think we've got that very well coated now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grease my pans, and we are going to split this in half. So we're gonna put it into 2 pans, and we are going to chill that before we work on our next color. So I have some melted butter that I'm gonna be using to grease my 2 pans. The nice thing about this is after it's all chilled, they're just gonna pop right out with a little bit of a shake. So with our butter in our pans, and then we'll get our mixture in there. Alright, so we're going to be dividing our bowl in half into each of these, the really sticky one that we're working with. Alright, we're going to pop these into the fridge for 2 hours. And while those are in the fridge, we're gonna work on our green and our chocolate ganache, so I'll be back in a second. Our second batch of marshmallow is ready to go, and to this we're gonna be adding the McCall's leaf green. We're going for, again, a fall theme, so we thought orange and green would go really well together. Gonna start off with 2 drops. And now we're ready to add our popcorn. So again, 1 bowl at a time. All right, that's looking like it's getting very nice and covered. Our pans are already greased, so we'll start to get this in there. I'm gonna pop these into the fridge now, and we're just gonna prep our ganache before we give everything some time to chill, and then we'll come back and assemble. Our last and final step before we let everything chill and then we assemble is prepping our dark chocolate ganache. So dark chocolate is gonna take the sweetness down a little bit. With the salted popcorn, it's gonna taste so nice. So we're actually gonna start to prep this together. We're gonna pop it into the microwave. I have my heavy cream here 1 cup of heavy cream, and 500 grams of dark chocolate. We're gonna microwave this for 20 seconds at a time until it's all smooth, and then we're gonna let this chill and thicken up so that we can prep our cake. Look at this beautiful ganache. I did this a couple times at 20 seconds, constantly mixing in between. Now it's nice and smooth, and we're just gonna let this chill. We wanna work with a thicker consistency so it holds the whole cake together. And I used the McCall's dark chocolate today, but they also carry white chocolate and candy melts. You can use white chocolate instead. I think dark chocolate is perfect for fall. So now we're just gonna let this sit and chill on the side, and then we'll be back shortly to decorate and assemble our no-bake popcorn cake. And we're back with everything ready to go. This is sat in the fridge for a while now, and it's all chilled. And I just want to show you our ganache consistency. It's very nice and thick now. This is the kind of ganache that we're going to be working with today. So I'm going to start by creating a little dollop there, and then we're going to get our first cake tier, as we call it, on our board. And now we can go in and we can add some more decoration on top. Before I do that, I'm just gonna get a little clean up my workspace, and then we'll do our final decor. And we are back for our final touches on our no-bake popcorn cake. It's already looking so good. It's really giving me Frankenstein and fall vibes. But I'm actually going to be adding the new Herco collection dessert sauces from McCall's. This one is a hazelnut chocolate sauce. I think this is going to go so perfectly with the chocolate ganache that we added. So I'm just going to do a bit of a swirl on the top. And these come in so many different flavors. There's blueberry, there's strawberry, there's white chocolate, hazelnut, perfect for any dessert, even ice creams. I think that's good. All right. And then I just want to add some fall sprinkles to tie it in. And there we have it, our no-bake popcorn cake. I love how that rhymes. It's all done now. It's got so many layers of sweet. There's dark chocolate, there's the marshmallow, and then the salted popcorn kind of just brings it all together. And then of course the hazelnut sauce that we added. We hope you guys enjoyed watching this today. We have a lot more fun content coming for the fall and for Halloween, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and we'll see you back very soon.